Good morning, YouTube fans. Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. The rig is ready to go. We got ourselves a brand new customer today in the Timber Pines community. And did I mention that the rig is powered by Ameritech Pressure Cleaning Systems in Tampa, Florida? If you want something done custom, go see GT Builds. Gary will take care of you. Barry will let you know how much it's going to cost, and Gary will build it. Anyway, we got a pool cage to do today. A nice 2,500 square foot home with a 3-car driveway. So that's going to be it for the day, but it's a nice ticket. So all you need is one good job, right? And that'll complete the day's pay and keep us on our way. Gonna make a quick stop at the gas station to fill up. We got SH yesterday, so let's go ahead and get started. And by all means, let's get after it. Hey, here we are at another episode of As the Pump Turns. And boy, is it turning in their favor. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Now it's $369? How much money do these guys got to make on us? Frickin' ridiculous. All right there. We'll see you at the job. Ridiculous. All right, here we are at Jim and Christine Fuller's and Timber Pines Country Club. Here's the 3-car driveway. It's got some black algae on it, which we will go ahead and take care of. We did a walk around. She's not happy with her eaves, soffits. They are dingy. Got a little bit of stuff on there. Then we'll be coming around this way, and we'll be right back. All right, had to let the homeowner out of the house. All right, you can see you got black mold, algae up here. It's looking dingy and dirty. That's what we're here for, to take care of that. Go ahead and have a look down the side. Gonna have to get through here. Ooh, there's a fence here for the dog. So what I'm gonna do is I can hit all this right from here. I think I can just walk right down this thing right here and get it. Hopefully the neighbors don't get mad. All right, and then when we get this to the pool cage here, we'll just pop out and do what we can there. But it doesn't look that bad. All right. Never had to do a shot from a neighbor, but there's always a first time for everything, right? All right, let's go around the other way and look at the other parts of the project. I almost got hit by a golf ball to start the morning off with. There's a par 3 right out back here, and the guy sliced one right into the back of the house here. All right, we got this mess here, which is a big mess. That's gonna look way better, huh? Always get underneath the air conditioner. She said to do the best she could around here, which is fine. That is what we will do. Looks like they got a new roof. Roofers left a bunch of roof tiles around. All right, there's some frog poops. There's a golf ball hole from the other day, okay? Now the par 3 tee box is right there. Let's take a walk over here and take a look. Well, this is a par 3 golf course right here. There's the tee off. And there's those guys over there playing golf. And those are the same guys that almost hit me with the ball. I threw it out there, let them know I found it. They were happy. All right, we got some mold down here. Dingy windowsills. And you can see the green in the screen down the pool cage here. And they got this really good, instead of wood or cement or anything like that, all we gotta do is rinse this off. Pool gauge has got some mold and algae all the way up there. I am gonna go ahead and move these smaller plants here. Might as well grab one of them while I'm standing here. And her husband's home. She just went to the dog park with Bob. Bob is a poodle woodle. This is a really nice place. And it's going to even look nicer when I get done with it. Now I explained to her. Now you can see that the $99 guy was here. You see that? See that pressure washing stuff going on right there? It's oxidation, so you can't blast these old pool cage screens and aluminum, because you kill it. There's mold all over it. Just go ahead and SH it down and then rinse it off real good, but just be really careful. Let's move this back a little bit. They're nice plants. You don't want to mess them up. All right. Okay, that's what we got. So let's go ahead and get after it. And we'll see you out front. Let's get started. She said not to do anything with this at all. Just clean up behind it. Right behind here, she said. Watch out, you might see a snake pop out if you ain't careful. If you aren't careful. Proper English, Don. Anyway. And she did want... The chimney up there is green. So we're going to make it clean. And the neighbors aren't home over here. So that's why I piled the garbage cans there. And she said it was perfectly okay. All right, let's get after it, folks. If I didn't mention before, we're going to start the job right here. We're going to go that way as far as we can get. And that'll be good. All right, let's get after it. Uh-oh. SH. You don't want that. You got to put a new seal in. Let's fix it. Okay, that's a lesson. No more leaks. Always make sure your seals are good. And don't stab yourself in the thumb. It doesn't feel good. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Look at the hose management. You see that? That hose is roped right through there. It's not going to touch one of these single ornaments or none of that stuff. You get used to going around obstacles. The whole side of the house is nice and squeaky clean. It's able to hit it from down here and rinse it off. I'll come back around and check it when I'm in the pool cage, but I think it's good. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is get this driveway knocked out. You know how fast it's going to go from there, right? Always goes really quick. All right, let's get after it. It's Mondu time. Woohoo! right, let's have a look at it. See that right there? We're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Then I'm gonna treat this stuff here. It's only in this little area right here. Because I just had it trimmed. So it was hanging over the driveway. So let's rinse it off and see what we got left. Then we'll get after the pump up spray action, all right? Now for the satisfying rinse. Came out really good except for those areas right there. Like I said, we'll go ahead and treat that there with some stuff, some Go Juice. We'll be good to go. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to get after this monster right here on the side. Then we'll put the mini Mondu away and proceed to the back of the pool cage and get the rest of this house cleaned off. All right, we'll be back to review what we do over there at the end of the job. But right now, let's get after this. All right, let's have a look at this side patch here. Look at the difference, huh? You see that right there? Just got to hit that with some straight SH right in front of the door there too, and over here and there. And while we're at it, let's go over here and look at this driveway that the SH pump up spray took care of. This was extremely dirty and black right here all the way down. Simple, man. Simple things. Basic downstream and a little bit of pump up. Always works. Let's get after it, shall we? All right, here we are back in the pool area. Like I said, we're just going to go ahead and SH this whole thing down, rinse it all off, get this floor rinsed off, and we'll be done. Gonna be an easy job. All right. We got to rinse the back of this off, and that'll be done. All right, let's get after it. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Look how nice and clean it is, huh? It's a beautiful pool deck. I love it. First one like it. All the green is gone. Looks good. No white. Makes it right. All right. Get out of here through this mud. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. And then you can look at some beautiful work like this every day. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. If you haven't subscribed, hit it. Ring the bell. Be notified of all the crazy pressure washing stuff. It can get annoying though, because it's an everyday thing. All right, let's get after it. Let's take a final quick look. Look at the driveway. That's just beautiful. Came out perfect. And the side thing over here. See that? Just a couple little finishing touches, man. This place looks popping. The customer is very happy. All right, nice and bright. That's who you want to call. Get after it. It's the only way you're gonna get her done.